What's up, guys? Once again, I will be doing my 2018 bike check. It's a 2018 Speed Series GT. It's a neon yellow. I really love it. I don't get why I'm doing this right now. It's like really cold. I don't have my phone to check, but wait. It's 30 degrees. But let's get right into this. Here is the bike. I'll be going over all the parts. So let's start at the front. At the front right here, I have Vans grips. I have a Pro Max brake. I love these two. They just look so sleek. I have the state number 1 number plate from Tangent. I'm so cold. But on the with the handlebars, those are off of a Haro Pro XL Annex, I think. I have the stock Haro stem. I have a FSS headset, but I don't have the dust cap on it because it was too high. I have the Tangent stem cap thingy. It won't focus right now, but that's what I have. I have the box carbon forks. I have the Haro Annex stock wheels. I have Tiger Power Band 20 by 185 tires. Well, in the front at least. Let's move back. I have the 2018 GT Speed Series in yellow. Whenever somebody new comes over, I go, I learned how to drive a manual today. Because of that. It's really cool. I have a box seat, a Pro Max seat clamp, snafu brake line, Shimano DXR cranks, Shimano pedals, Pro Max brake calipers. Move over to this side. I have a Chiari blue 45 tooth chainring or sprocket, whatever you want to call it. I have a Shadow Conspiracy chain. I really love these. They seem really strong. I've had them for the whole time I've been racing. There's the Shimano rim. Shimano hub, not Shimano, what in the world am I talking about? Haro stock wheel, basically, what I'm trying to say. And then a Taiga Power Block 20 by 160. What I love about this frame is that there's like, if you can tell, there's like minimal curve. And I like that because I don't like straight things. Except for myself. I'm straight. And then these dropouts, if you can see, they're not actually on the frame, they're on that metal thing. The black metal thing. And it looks like that. So it's not actually on the frame. That's really cool. But here's my bike once again. So, here we are again once again. I hope you really liked it. I'm gonna go inside right now and get some hot chocolate. So, let's get it! I thought it was 30 degrees, but it's 22. Oh my gosh. That's my pupper. I was gonna say 23. Look at that. It's gonna be cold. Did y'all think I was kidding? If y'all ever go to Richmond, I participated in the Luck Cup. 3rd place. I like this. But you always gotta add the mints to make it have some taste. I'd rather have like candy canes. But I'm actually gonna make it.